The Missouri Department of Conservation encourages you to discover nature. Here's one idea. As you head to the woods this fall, take notice of those bright orange fruits hanging from alligator-skinned trees. They are persimmon trees and provide a sweet summer finale in their fall-ripening fruits. Some Missourians even claim you can tell how cold the winter will be by splitting open a seed. If the inside looks like a knife, expect frigid winds that will cut like a blade. A spoon predicts plenty of snow to shovel, and if you find a fork, plan on a mild winter.
The most common variety of persimmon drops its fruit in late summer or early fall. You want to wait until the fruit is soft and somewhat mushy before eating them. But don't wait too long. Raccoons, opossum, deer, and a wide variety of birds all enjoy the persimmon, also known as nature's candy.
If you ever eat an unripe persimmon, you will know it. But fully ripe, persimmons are known as nature's candy. You can use the pulp to make cakes, breads, cookies, puddings, and pies.